Khulumka, angoni ma deborma jamatia, tini 12 June, tini ni shal, cherai rokno samung tangni mani muthak mani shal, o shal, hayung ganangi no palai jagai tongu, te o shal no jung belakino important donari nangu. Tamni himale, jung nugu, chini gana gini wo, cherai rokno, kubang ma samung tang mani, buni dukan rogo, buni nog rogo, mani humaro, abo belakino chaya, te abo rongno nugu belakino khakamu. Amo kaisa crime si kalayu. Nge, ora jeng satai kalayu. Chini besang theng, buni besang theng, kereyeng theng, genang theng. Cerai hingke, cerai ni adhikar mana nangu, borong no samung tangri mani belakina saya, borong ni bobishot wansung nani nangu, abo ni bagai jeng jotto no khorang tisana ni nangu. बच्चे देश का भविष्य है वो श्रमिक नहीं है प्लीज स्टॉप चाइल्ड लेबर
Hello people. Article 24 of Indian Constitution speaks about rights against exploitations for prohibitions of employment of children in hazardous jobs. In India, almost 5.8 million children, about 5 to 17-year-olds, were a victim of child labor. Social injustice, corruptions are the major causes for this problem. Today, on a Child Labor Day, we must make a commitment to oneself to not to practice social injustice and evil activities which will enhance the root cause of child labor for the betterment of the society and for betterment of our children.
12 June Child Labor Day hayong ganang pala jagi to mo pia ba ang kaisa no awareness rin ang musumani hinke haise cerai rong man cerai heke no toni di borong ni cerai ni je nai thok mong tong thong mong obona seng hegi nai atui tam hi malek seng sini kana gani ang ma cerai no samung khai tong mani no borong ni life for education maya borok pia borok samung khai ma thang tang seng shiwo child labor kaisa socio economic problem pia ba seng as a society or tong money as an individual bahai ki sung obono khorang ti sanai hi manile jefro no ma hi nin kana gani o ke bono nugui tongo directly child health care center call khai di te child labor ang kaisa crime so o crime no ke bo khaina ta thangni chung almost nai na nai almost lama ma ro tungai chung chere no bahai ke kaham ya priyo borong no bahai ke well education do bong no basango awri man omono te khoram te shadi omono sanan nayo tamni kale chere ro in future chung chere ro no poma hi kam kurun ket langi man obose chung manai thai hambai.
Good morning everyone. Today on this very day of 12 June World Day Against Child Labor, I Elijah Jamatia from 4th Sem of Department of Sociology is hereby to give a short message on how to eliminate a child labor. As we know, our Indian Constitution prohibits forced labor and exploitation of children below 14 years of age under hazardous occupations such as brick kilns, matchstick industries, and many other construction sites. Today, as we observe the World Day Against Child Labor, let us resolve to become a voice of change because change begins with you. Together, we can make a children's rights happen. #StopAgainstChildLabor.